Sleepsoft is an AI engineering company that has its roots in developing AI-powered products. Throughout the years, we have worked with startups, SMBs, enterprise-type companies, and even unicorns. Not only has it allowed us to build important skill within our team, it has also taught us a lot about the challenges of bringing highly complex software products to market. And speaking about complex products, well, WakeZ starts with a very important problem that we're trying to solve, that of sleep. It is estimated that we sleep around a third of our life, and that means that sleep hygiene and maintaining a healthy sleep habit has a clear and strong impact on the quality of life. After we ran a survey through our local startup and innovation community, we found out that more than 80% of the 700 respondents that we had were waking up feeling very tired in the morning. So we started researching sleep science and evaluating consumer products, consumer wearables that were available on the market at that time. We took our idea to TRL3 and then identified the opportunity to advance another 2 levels through the proof of concept grant. Our solution is a real-time sleep tracker for which we use an Apple Watch right now because it brings both the quality of software and hardware that we need to ensure maximum accuracy. And through that same hardware, we deliver a personalized haptic intervention. It starts about half an hour before waking up and goes on up until right before the alarm goes off. This ensures a smooth awakening and an energy boost in the morning. In applying for the grant, the process was smooth. The business plan we had to provide was rather rudimentary, with more focus on the potential of the technology and providing proof that we have graduated TRL3. One extremely difficult challenge, though, for us was the very long period of time between submission to approval and that we had a 31st of December 2023 deadline. So therefore, we had to squash a 13-month project into only 6 months of implementation. During the project, we reallocated man hours and increased our team for a shorter period of time because we still had to deliver the work. It was understood by the grant management authority that given the halving of the implementation period, we needed to allocate more resources to the project. All in all, the project consisted of pretty much continuous development, some of which we did in-house, but for some we needed external expertise, and experimenting with the technology components we developed. Basically, we developed the TRL4 prototype and tested it on 20 users, extracted the learnings and the feedback, and then we developed further to TRL5. The large-scale beta consists of 3,000 nights of data, so 100 people sleeping with WakeZ for a month. I think this is the biggest challenge we faced so far. The fact that initially the project had 4 months of recruiting period, and now we had only 1 month. So we talked with the grant management again and managed to obtain a 3-month extension while we had to cover the costs of those 3 months. This being said, we are almost done recruiting and are right on track to successfully finalize the project. I think as an EU funding agnostic entrepreneur, I found it a bit intimidating at first, both when applying but also when implementing the project. Now looking back, having the 200,000 euros in funding to take our mission several steps closer to market is a great performance. We're in a great place now. We have a TRL5 product, and despite the challenging KPIs, with the 2 separate clinical experiments done in validated conditions, we have brought a lot of trust around our product, and that is amazing. So thanks to the EU Cohesion funding, we were able to come closer to helping people that struggle with bad sleep and learned a lot about our technology. And also we have discovered a bunch of new use cases. If I am to think of an advice I think you should give it a try, as long as what you do is meaningful and you care about the work. Make sure you have a solid understanding of financing and forecasting so as to be able to cover the cost of any delays that might happen. Also, consider the bureaucracy as a safety net for yourself and your company. While it may be frustrating to fill in documents and send in reports, you can use this as a track record, a documentation that you can provide during a due diligence process. We're very happy with what we were able to achieve and are definitely looking forward to grow our product even more.